Welcome students to this video session from the chapter Aldehydes, Ketones and Carboxylic acids. We have discussed so far definition and classification of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. We have studied their IUPAC nomenclature, rules and some examples also. We have methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones from various reagents in this video. First reagent is from acyl chloride. This acyl chloride functional group we have already studied in our 11th standard. What is the functional group of this? RC11OCl. RC11OCl is the functional group or structure of this acyl chloride functional group. What we can see from this general reaction? This is general reaction of preparation of aldehydes from acyl chlorides. Addition of H2, and we know students, addition of H2 is nothing but the reduction reaction. What else we have used? It is PD. PD is palladium metal, and palladium metal is acting as catalyst in this reaction. This palladium is poisoned with barium sulfate to increase its activity. So statement for the reaction will be acyl chloride is reduced in presence of palladium metal poisoned with barium sulfate to give corresponding aldehyde byproduct HCl. And very important thing for this reaction is called as Rosenmund reaction. This is name reaction from our chapter, Rosenmund reaction. Now I will write example for the same. Example is CH3C11OCl. H2 means reduction. Palladium in presence of BaSO4, what we get? CH3 C11O H. Acetaldehyde will be the product. So this is our example in which acyl chloride or acetyl chloride is converting into acetaldehyde. After finishing with preparation of aldehydes from acyl chloride, we have preparation of aromatic ketones. Preparation of aromatic ketones from acyl chloride. Friedel-Crafts acylation. This is the name of this reaction. And students, we have studied Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene in our 11th standard, and same example we are going to study here. What is there in Friedel-Crafts acylation? In Friedel-Crafts acylation, benzene reacts with acyl chloride. Benzene reacts with acyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 to give acetophenone and HCl. We get two products, orthoacetophenone and acetophenone is the product. So same reaction I will write here. Please see and try to remember this reaction. We have benzene plus acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. What happens? This acyl group replaces hydrogen of benzene and we get benzene ring and C double bond O CH3 plus HCl is the byproduct. Benzene ring C double bond O CH3. And this compound is nothing but the acetophenone. Acetophenone. It is a one type of ketone, and the type of this ketone is aromatic ketone. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts acylation. Third method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones we have from nitriles. Preparation of aldehydes. First we will see preparation of aldehydes. Nitriles we also call cyanides. R C triple bond N is the functional group of nitrile. What is the general reaction for it? Nitriles are reduced. Please see students carefully. Nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride. It is the intermediate for this reaction. Nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride by stannous chloride. This is essential to called as stannous chloride in presence of HCl. Stannous chloride is catalyst and HCl. Imine hydrochloride is the intermediate. This intermediate on acid hydrolysis, this intermediate on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehyde. So first stannous chloride will get reduced with nitriles will get reduced with stannous chloride. We get imine hydrochloride. That imine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis we get corresponding aldehyde. Now I will write example for this reaction, and we will try to write its name of intermediate and final product also. CH3 C triple bond N. This is our nitrile. 2H SnCl2 in presence of HCl. We get CH3 HC double bond NH HCl. There are two carbon atoms, therefore it is ethanimine hydrochloride. This ethanimine hydrochloride on acid hydrolysis we get CH3 C double bond O H. Two carbon atoms, and it is CHO means aldehyde functional group. Name of this compound will be ethanol, and byproduct will be NH4Cl. Therefore, in this reaction, we have converted nitrile into imine hydrochloride as intermediate, and final product is aldehyde. Next is methods of preparation of ketones from nitriles. Nitriles are nothing but C triple bond N. Action of Grignard's reagent is very important step in this reaction. Means we perform action of Grignard's reagent on nitriles and we get ketones. Nitriles reacts with Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent are nothing but alkyl magnesium halides. You can have different alkyl groups, you can have different halogen atoms also. So alkyl nitriles reacts with Grignard's reagent in presence of dry ether as a solvent. In this Grignard's reagent reaction, dry ether acts as a solvent. We get complex. And that complex on acid hydrolysis gives us corresponding ketone. So we have alkyl nitrile reacts with Grignard's reagent. In presence of dry ether as a solvent, we get complex. After acid hydrolysis of this complex, we get acetone in this reaction. Acetone as the product plus ammonia, and this MgOHCl is the byproduct.